Hi, so welcome to this beginner level Arabic class. لغتي العربية. لغتي in Arabic means language. Ya is for milkiya or for a personal touch. Oh yeah. So لغتي, لديا, it means my language, and العربية means Arabic. So just a disclaimer, throughout lessons, I'm gonna try, because I would really like you to pick up vocabulary, sentence formulation, as well as accent. So I'm gonna try to speak in both English and Arabic and just add vocabulary here and there, so as for like to enable you to pick just words that aren't necessarily related to the lesson itself. So for today's lesson, the aim is to learn about time. So درس اليوم عن الوقت. درس means lesson, اليوم means today. So al in Arabic generally is the equivalent for the word the, and يوم means day. So درس اليوم means lesson of the day, or today's lesson. And الوقت, that's time, the same rule applies. So وقت itself means time, and الوقت means the time. So in today's lesson, we're going to aim to learn about time and how to tell time in Arabic. So في البداية, in the beginning, we're going to learn about elements of the clock, or مكونات الساعة. مكونات is the Arabic word for element. مكون is the singular for مكونات. So, and the ta is the equivalent of the s, so it makes the word plural. So مكون, that's element. مكونات, that is elements. And the word clock and hour, by the way, those are two different words in English, but in Arabic, those two words have one word, so we don't actually have two different words for clock and hour. In Arabic, they both mean sa'a, so, or as-sa'a, the hour. So clock and hour in Arabic are sa'a, or the hour, as-sa'a. Clock and hour means sa'a. Say that again, sa'a. That's clock and hour. And if you want to say the hour, we say al-sa'a. Al is the as-sa'a. Again, elements is مكونات. And the singular for that is مكون. So we have three different elements for the clock. عندنا 3 مكونات للساعة. We have عندنا 3 مكونات. 3 means 3 مكونات للساعة, for the hour. That's element A is the hour, or hour, that is ساعة. And then we have minute, that is دقيقة. ساعة, دقيقة. And then we have second. Second is ثانية. So ساعة, دقيقة, ثانية. ساعة in Arabic means both clock and hour. So ساعة, دقيقة, ثانية. ساعة, دقيقة, ثانية. Okay? Moving on from that, we have more elements of time. We have مكونات, elements, more, إضافية, مكونات إضافية للوقت. للوقت, for the time. So, like I just said, al means the, lil means for the. Al means the, lil, that is lil, for lamain, or two of the letter lam. That's a lam, that's another lam. للوقت. So I hope that makes sense. So مكونات إضافية للوقت. More elements of time. So to go into them, we have year, month, week, and day. In Arabic, we can say that by saying year is السنة, month is الشهر, week is أسبوع, day is يوم. So سنة, شهر, أسبوع, يوم. إضافية means more. That's إضافية means more. Elements means مكونات. وقت is time. So عندنا, لدينا, or we have. لدينا, عندنا, both mean we have. لدينا سنة, شهر, أسبوع, ويوم. و means and. سنة، شهر، أسبوع، يوم. هي مكونات إضافية، مكونات إضافية للوقت. Those are more elements of time. So now that we learned the vocabulary words for the elements of time, we're going to learn how to tell time during time of the day. So it's AM or PM, daytime or evening time. So AM in Arabic is صباحا. PM in Arabic is مساء. صباحا comes from the word صباح, which means daytime. مساء comes from the word مساء, which means evening time. So time of day, الوقت خلال. خلال means through or off. Day is يوم زي ما كما قلنا قبل قليل, like we said. قلنا, we said. كما قلنا, like we said. الوقت خلال اليوم. اليوم is day. خلال through. الوقت is time. So الوقت خلال اليوم, time through the day or time of the day. We have صباحا AM, مساء PM. صباحا و is and. صباحا ومساء. صباحا ومساء. AM, PM and PM. AM and PM. Hope that makes sense. Now we're gonna move to the more exciting bit, which is how to tell time in Arabic. So what time is it? كم is for quantity. الساعة. So what time is it? Is كم الساعة باللغة العربية. كم for quantity. الساعة time or clock. So كم الساعة, what time is it? كم الساعة, what time is it? كم الساعة. So الساعة, the hour. It goes exactly like it goes. We can tell the hour, like we can say the time exactly like we say in English, which is numbers from 1 to 12. You just add the word ساعة to it. Or الساعة. Like we say 1 o'clock, we say الساعة الواحدة. Just let me highlight it. So 1 o'clock, الساعة الواحدة. 2 o'clock, الساعة الثانية. So you just add the word الساعة to the number. So we go again. الواحدة, الثانية, الثالثة, الرابعة, الرابعة, الخامسة، السادسة، السابعة، الساعة السابعة، الساعة الرابعة، الساعة الخامسة، الخامسة، الساعة السادسة، الساعة الواحدة. Okay? So السابعة, الساعة السابعة، الساعة الثامنة، الساعة التاسعة، الساعة العاشرة، الحادية عشرة، الساعة الحادية عشرة، الساعة الثانية عشرة. Okay? Now we're going to move on to tell the time when it's not on the clock, when it's not on the exact hour. So on the clock, by the way, in Arabic is شوكة. So if we want to say it's الساعة التاسعة, if we want to say it's 9 o'clock on the clock, we say إنها, it is, إنها, it is. So if someone asks you كم الساعة and it's 9 o'clock on the clock, you can say إنها الساعة, it is الساعة التاسعة. شوكة. شوكة means on the clock. You don't have to add the word شوكة, but it just emphasizes the fact that it is on the clock. So it's not 1 past 9 or something like that. It's not التاسعة ودقيقة. دقيقة means minute, like we just said. So الساعة التاسعة. But how can we say it when it's 5 past 9? We can say الساعة التاسعة, التاسعة وخمس, خمس means 5, دقائق. دقائق is the plural for دقيقة, for minute. So minutes in Arabic is دقائق. So الساعة التاسعة وخمس دقائق. When it's 10 past 9, الساعة التاسعة وعشر دقائق. 10 is 10. دقائق is the plural for دقيقة. الساعة 9:10. So now we have 3 different words for quarter, third and half. Okay? When it's 15 past 9 we say الساعة 9:15. When it's 20 past 9 we say الساعة 9. For Arabic we say and third because that's third of the full hour. That's 20 minutes. So الساعة 9:30. When it's 9:30 it's الساعة 9:10. So الربع is quarter, الثلث is third, النصف is half. So الساعة 9:10. That is الساعة 9:10. That is 9:15. Moving from there, we have more ways of telling time. So when it's here in English, that's 5 to 9. In Arabic, that's exactly the same. That is الساعة 9:إلا. That's the different word. So إلا means 2. So الساعة 9:05. That's 5 minutes to 9. When it's 10 minutes to 9, it's الساعة 9:10. 10. 10 means 10. دقائق is the plural for دقيقة, which is minutes. Okay. Now we have when it's quarter to 9. So الساعة 9. Quarter in Arabic is ربع. 2 is إلا. So الساعة 9:10. When it's third to 9 or when it's 20 minutes to 9, we say الساعة 9:10. ثلث is a third. ربع is a quarter. So again, saying them again, sorry. So الساعة 9:05. That is 5 minutes to 9. الساعة 9:00. is 2. 10 that is 10 minutes to 9. الساعة 9:10. That is 15 minutes to 9 or quarter to 9. الساعة 9:10. That is third to 9 or 20 minutes to 9. And here in the end, it's الساعة 9:00. شوكة. We can say شوكة, but we don't have to. Here I just had it. I hope you can see it just behind my image there. Is on the clock in Arabic means شوكة. Just that. So on the clock in Arabic means شوكة. Now I hope that would enable you to work that worksheet out. Or تحل is to work out. ورقة, that's paper or sheet. عمل is work. So I hope that enables you to work that worksheet. أتمنى أن يمكنك ذلك. That enables you to work ورقة العمل. لحل ورقة العمل. So what time is it? Is كم الساعة? When it's 2:15, when it's 2:45, and when it's 2:55. Hope this was useful.